If you love creating custom coloring pages or transforming photos into artwork, then ColoringBook AI might be exactly what you need. This online tool allows you to generate AI-powered coloring pages, convert text into drawings, and even turn personal photos into fun, interactive coloring sheets. To get started, the first step is to create an account. Open your browser and search for ColoringBook AI. Click on the official website from the search results, and once you're there, take a moment to explore what it offers. As you scroll through the homepage, you'll notice several exciting features highlighted, like the AI Coloring Pages generator, the ability to convert photos into coloring pages, and even an option to turn a picture into a coloring page for someone special. You'll also see a feature that lets you create coloring pages from text and an online coloring tool for digital coloring. These tools make it easy to create something unique and fun. Once you're ready to sign up, go to the top right corner of the website and click on Login or Register. This will take you to the sign-in page, where you'll need to click on Sign Up to create a new account. You'll then be asked to enter an email address and create a password, which should be at least 6 characters long. After completing this step, check your email inbox for a verification code, then return to the website and enter the code to confirm your registration. After verifying your email, head back to the ColoringBook AI homepage and click on Start Free Now. This will allow you to explore the platform and try out its features a few times for free. If you want unlimited access, there are premium plans available for more advanced tools and customization. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into how to use ColoringBook AI for different creative projects, whether you want to make custom illustrations, generate unique coloring pages, or bring your photos to life as black and white drawings. Stay tuned! Click the link in the description to try it out for yourself.